Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be going over a new palette from Juvia'S Place. I recently went to my P.O. box. Honestly, I can't even tell you how long it's been since I have gone to the post office, and I feel bad because I don't even know how long this has been in there, but they sent this to me. Thank you, Juvia'S Place. This is such a beautiful palette, and yeah, I know I don't normally come on camera with two different eye looks, but I wanted to give you guys more than one look with this palette, but I am running short on time today, and this palette deserves more than one look. This is the Wahala palette, which translates into drama, and when you open this up, that's exactly what you get. All the drama, all the color. You have pigments in here, you have shadows, as well as glitters, which you can see on this eye here. I'm going to give you guys all the details on this palette, and then I'm going to go ahead and give you guys my opinions, and I'm going to put the two eye looks at the end. On the website, it reads that this is a limited edition and limited supply, and it's a one-of-its-kind first 20 pan eyeshadow palette with intense colors. Now I want to reiterate that there are glitters in here as well as the pigments, so technically this is not an eyeshadow palette. I just wanted you guys to keep that in mind because technically glitters and pigments are not considered to be eye safe. They can be irritating to the eyes. I personally don't have any issues with them, but that doesn't mean that you won't, so I just want you guys to be aware. It goes on to read that we were heavily inspired by the craftsmanship of African masks, like you can see on the front of the palette, which are a full embodiment of culture, usually used in ceremonial activities. A mask must come to life by the wearer of the mask to symbolize a mood. We played around with very symbolic colors which represent unity, love, excitement, fruitfulness, boldness, authority, and lastly, growth and healing, all of which can be dramatic depending on the wearer of the mask. Now let me show you guys the swatches. When I'm showing these to you, I'm going to put a star beside the ones that are pigments as well as the ones that are glitters. First, BU, a matte dark berry burgundy. Stand Up, a shimmery champagne. Fighter, a metallic vibrant light medium green. Fire, a fiery matte intense red. Power, a metallic mermaid blue green duochrome. Unafraid, a shimmery medium toned purple with a frosty finish. Pride, a soft muted matte mauvey nude. Gossip, an intense buttery metallic gold with green undertone. Rumors, a shimmery metallic coppery rose. Yanga, a sparkling deep aqua green glitter. Envy, a beautiful shimmer pink violet duochrome with light blue pearls. Sis, a matte cool toned dark brown. Over Sabi, a dark yellow mustard brown. Unsilenced, a matte coral red. Love, a matte Crayola blue. Woke, a matte lavender violet. Unshook, a deep shimmery pewter. Pepper Body, a sparkling champagne gold glitter. Busybody, a playful bright matte magenta pink. And Clout, a sparkling blue glitter. For my thoughts on this beauty, it is what it is. It is beautiful. And I personally, I don't mind pigments. I don't mind glitters. And you'll see in the tutorial, I didn't use my fingers to apply the two glitters that are on my eyes. And I had no issues with just packing them on. I used a synthetic MAC 239 and I just pressed, I kind of like swiped and pressed them into the skin. They adhered really well. Yes, I did get some fallout, but all the fallout that I got, I didn't have anything baked underneath my eyes or anything like that. I just used a little brush and wiped it away. So nothing adhered to the skin, only where I wanted it to. And I did have a few shades that had a little bit of fallout, but again, it just didn't bother me at all. I feel like everything looks really nice and clean. I will say that for this purple here and this one, I had to build up a little bit, but I would rather build up than have it be patchy or not adhere. I hate it when a purple doesn't work out well. So having to build them up just a little bit did not bother me at all. This shade right here, it's not going to show up on really anybody darker than me. This barely showed up on me, but I like it because it gave a nice base or a transition shade to this eye look, and I love this eye. I know I've done something like this before, but you kind of start running out of ideas, to be completely honest, and I really wanted to use this row. It was just screaming to me, as well as the glitters. The glitters are just so pretty. This duochrome right here, Power, oh my gosh, I'm so mad because like I hit it with my fingernail and it just really, oh, I hate when I do that. I hope you guys can see it even in the pan, the shift of it, but I'm going to show you on my finger so you can see better than just the swatch I showed you. It's stunning. It is green and kind of purple and blue. See if I can see. I'm going to drag it down my finger a little bit and see if you guys can see a little bit more. It is so pretty. I would have loved to take this and just put it all over the eye and then take one of these. This would have been really pretty along with it, but I have it just along the lash line, and unfortunately when you just put it there, it's harder to see. With this all over the lid, I would have and I will adore this as a smoky eye. It's just something that I really enjoy these type of shades, and I love to blow them out on the eyes. I applied Gossip right on the inner portion right here. So I used the darker blue, and then I used the shade right here, just because I wanted to have that difference in the colors. And I love the way that this looks. And I used this shade right here to deepen it up. It's just beautiful. I love both of the eye looks, and I wish that I had gotten down a little bit more into the warmer shades, but I will try them out and I will update you guys in an updates video. But my first impression with the two looks that I did, this is a great palette. It's beautiful. I love the colors. I love that there's nothing that's really repetitive in it. I love the glitters. I love the pigments. I just think it's beautiful, and I think that you can get so many different colorful, fun looks. When I'm wanting to do something colorful, this is definitely a palette that I will reach for. All right, you guys, that's it for my thoughts on the palette. Now, let's get into these two eye looks. To finish off the eye looks, I decided I wanted to add a little bit of the shadows on the inner waterline. Now, don't do this if you are sensitive. It never bothers me, but just be careful. All I do is take a brush like the MAC 242, take a little bit of it, and I just apply it. I just tap it, and because your waterline is wet, it adheres. And on this side, I used a little bit of Love and the shade right here, Power. And then on this side, I used Unafraid. Anywho, that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed both of the eye looks and the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.